Hey, it's me, MrOfTheLego. Yes, this is my latest creation. It is a aircraft with a big Gatling gun on the front. Spins just like this. It's really cool. It's because I have one of those really cool whatchamacallit things, power functions. Yeah, so it's really cool. Its tail is awesome. The wingspan's really wide. It's a pretty good aircraft. 2 engines. See the roof right there. It does spin along with the Gatling gun. It's just that they're not automated. And this aircraft's very fragile. It just took me 10 minutes to build. So yeah, go figures. No instructions, yes, no nothing. So this thing's a work of art. I really like it. Imagine if those were real bullets being shot. There'd be like 15,000 holes in that wall over there. So yeah, that's it.